Welcome back. From this video we are starting a new playlist on how to develop a Angular application using Marvel APIs. So we will be exploring Marvel APIs, and this is the UI which we will be creating using those APIs. So on the front page, on the home page, we will see the characters, all the Marvel characters. I am fetching only 10 characters. So these are the 10 characters which Marvel API will give us. After that we have one more section called comics, which will list the comics from Marvels. So these are the 10 comics which are listed, and then the next section is Marvel series, some of the series of Marvels. And on the front page, when we click on the comics or series buttons, so we will see the comics related to that character. So comics related to 3D Man are these, and when we click on the series part, all the series for the character called 3D Man will be displayed. So let's click on one more characters. Let's click on this Adam, and you will see all the comics of that characters and all the series in which this character is featured. And you can also search any character from the search box. So let's search Iron Man, because I am a huge Iron Man fan. So you can see the Iron Man is being fetched from the API using API, and you can, when you click on the comics part, you will see all the comics in which Iron Man is featured. And these are the comics in which Iron Man has featured, like Iron Man movie, Captain America, Iron Man, etc., Avengers, Iron Man. And when you click on the series, you will see the series in which Iron Man has featured. So these are the series in which we will see Iron Man. So this is the UI which we will be creating, and you can find the code on the GitHub repository, Marvel API integration. I will leave the link of this repository in the descriptions. So let's start with developing our application. So let me first stop this, see, and now let's get to our, I have already created the application using the ng-new command, which is ng-new and the name of the application or the project, Marvel API integration. And now I will create all the services and components which we will be needing in this project. So let's copy paste one by one these commands. So let's first go to change directory. What's the name of the Marvel API integration? Okay, let me copy it from here. So we are inside Marvel API integration, and let's create one by one. Let's first create the service files in which we will be writing the code to connect to our APIs. So the service files are created. Now let's create some components. First is all characters, which is our home page, we can say. And after that, comics, which will list all the comics from Marvel, and then all the series. So these are the components which we have created. Now let's open our VS Code, and these are the list of commands which we will be issuing to create those files and projects. So please take a note of it. I am closing it, close without saving. And now let's get to our let's run this code first and see what is the output when we create a new Angular project. It will take some time, and by the time it will compile, this is the link of the APIs, developer.marvel.com. you have to register here and get the APIs key. So when you register, you will get a key, and these are the keys, private key and public key. And for this integration, you will be requiring our a public key and private key both. And this is the page, and here you will see API tester. So when you try to run the API, you will get the outputs. So let me try it out, the one API which will list the characters from Marvel, and these are the result. You see 3D Man and all the comics related to the 3D Man, then all the series related to 3D Man, then all the stories. So you will see much more detail, but we will be covering 3 to 4 APIs in this playlist. So I hope it's compiled. So let's see the output when we first run our application. So this is the output which we are seeing. So let's develop our front end. So for that we will be going to our index.html, which is here, and let's replace index.html with let's add some bootstrap. So first of all, let's copy the link to our bootstrap. So I am copy pasting the link, and let's also add the jQueries. Let's paste it after our body type. So let's erase it. I think our what we say bootstrap has been added to our code. Now we will go to our what we say app component.html and remove the code which is not useful for us. So let extend this and app component.html and remove all the code, and let's just print hello world. So we can see the changes. Yeah, so we have replaced our code. Now let's go to our what we say app module.ts and import our required modules. Like we will be using HTTP client module, so we will first have to write the line to import it. So import HTTP client module from Angular common HTTP. So I have to type it Angular / common / HTTP. I hope it will work. We have to also provide @ before it, and let's import it. HTTP client module is imported. So we have imported the client module. Now let's do one thing. All the components are also imported, and our service file is not imported here. So let's import the service file also. So what's the name? Import Marvel API service. So it's also imported. Now let's move to our next part, which is creating routes or changing our routing module. So this is our routing module, and let's add routes here, so that when we click on any link, it will not refresh the page, it will only refresh the component. So let's add the path. When the path is blank, we want to show our all characters. So let's add all characters component, and let's add other two components also. When in the link there is comics, then we want to show comics component, and when there is series, then we want to show series component. Series, yeah, here it is. Let's see the outputs now. So when we have comics, we see comics component, and we will add it. Let me see, components is comic components and path. So they are added. We are not seeing the output. Let's see what's the problem with it. Comics work, it should display comics work. I think my pages are not saved, or it's not recompiled. I think we should, so let's wait for its recompilation. Until then, let's see what are the other things we should do. Now in the next video we will add the services and try to complete our all characters component.